Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So let's continue with our data visualization using Python pandas and Seaborn library. Okay, so today we will be continuing with the series that we are continuing. First, we have completed the line chart. Second, I think in the previous video we have completed the pie chart also. So today we will be focusing on the bar chart. So this is the sample data set. This data set you can get from the description. I will add that here, and we have category, sales, profit and orders. Based on this we'll be solving few questions, and from those questions we will be visualizing the bar chart. Perfect. Now let's go to the first question. The first question says compare the total sales across all the categories. Now this particular question we need to solve and show in the form of a bar chart. So first is importing the libraries. So let's import Seaborn as SNS, and also we need matplotlib, that is matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, now what are the things we need? We need the we need the bar chart. Okay, so first we'll write SNS dot set underscore theme. What theme we need? We need the style is equal to white grid. So white grid. Perfect. Now plt dot figure. Inside this we need to pass the fixed size, that is fig fixed size is equal to how much? Let's say 8 comma 6. That's enough for us. Now we need to set sns dot bar plot, because we need the bar plot, and inside this there are several categories. We all know that bar plot takes two parameters, that is x-axis and y-axis. So x is equal to, we'll set category, and y is equal to sales, and data is equal to the data set that we have. And along with that, let's say palette is equal to, we can set pastel. Now let's give a valid title to our graph, that is plt dot title, and inside this we can pass total sales by category as per the question. Now the last plt dot show to show the table. Okay, now let's run it. See, we have got the output which looks absolutely stunning. The bar chart shows the total sales category, and in the y-axis we have the sales, in the x-axis we have the categories, which is electronics, clothes, groceries, books and toys, out of which it is totally visible that groceries is having the highest number of sales. So yeah, this is how you can solve this first question. Now let's go to the second question, that is compare the total profit across the categories. Okay, so we can simply copy this code from the above. We can copy from here this font, control C, and simply you can paste it here. We just need some changes, like in the x-axis we should have the category, in the y-axis instead of the sales we should have the profit. So profit, and data is equal to data. Let's change the palette from pastel to cool warm, and now let's change the title also, total profit by category. Okay, let's run it. See, we have also got the successful output for the total profit by category, and here groceries is still having the highest category, and they are having some different colors also. Now we need to show, the third question is that we need to show the relationship between the orders and the sales. How we can do? Let's control V. We can set the figure, we have set the bar plot, and in the x-axis we are setting the category, in the y-axis we'll be setting the orders this time. So orders, and rest all thing will be same, like data equal to data, palette is equal to, let's set from pastel to muted, and this time it will be total orders by category. Let's run it. So yeah, for this time we have different order value based on the category. Here also groceries is having the highest orders. Now we need to highlight the category with the highest sales using the color. So using the color coordinate, we have to highlight that. Okay, how we can do it? Okay, let's first set a different thing, that is data of highlight. We're taking a new column is equal to data of the sales, and the data of sales should be equal to, it should be double equal to, it should be equal to data of sales dot max. That is, we need to take the maximum value from the sales column. Now let's I think everything will be same. We can simply copy it. Figure we are keeping it 8.6, 8 sorry 8,6, and x category we have x-axis we have category, in the y-axis we are having the sales. The data is equal to data, and here we can pass some new parameters like hue we can pass, and hue should be highlight. Now we have also one parameter called dodge, which you will get to know. So the spelling is basically DODGE, and that we need to pass as false. Now comma palette is equal to, let's say we can give for, we can set a different palette this time. Palette is equal to, and inside the curly braces we can set true for red, comma false for gray. Okay, I think this much. Then title we are setting highlighting the highest sales we should write. So just change it to highlighting the highest sales, and this time we will be showing one legend also. So plt dot legend, and inside this the title of the legend should be highest sales, and lock is basically the location where we need to place this legend. We can place in upper right. So yeah, let's run it. So cool, you have seen that for the value, that is the groceries, it is having the highest values, and we have given the true for red and rest all for the false as gray color, and this is how you can actually do it. Perfect. Now let's write the last question of today's video, that is we need to compare the sales and the profit side by side for each category. Okay, so basically here there should be two bars for each category. Perfect. Now let's copy the first code that we have. We have the figure, and let's this time let's keep a big figure because we will be having two bars this time, and we will be having a new variable that is melted data. It should be data or is equal to data dot melt, and inside this we need to pass id underscore vats. Id underscore vats is equal to, we have to pass the category, and so it should be category, comma value underscore bars. It should be value underscore bars, yeah it is there, is equal to sales and profit. Sales comma profit, because for each category we need to say show the sales bar and also the profit bar. That's why we have written value bars is equal to sales and profit. So cool. And what should be the value names? And so var underscore name is equal to, it should be, let's say, metric, comma value underscore name, it should be amount. Okay, now sns dot bar plus, in the x-axis we should be having category, in the y-axis it should be amount, and let's say we can set one hue parameter is equal to metric, comma, data is equal to data, and palette is equal to, let's say we can set this time instead of pastel, let's say set 2. There are different types of palette available in the Google. You can just go through it. And now let's change the title. So title should be sales and profit by category. Okay, I think this we all should be writing below here only. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, it is saying could not interpret the value amount. I think we have given some wrong name, maybe. Let's see. Okay, melted data is equal to, it should be data dot melt id vars is equal to category, value vars is equal to sales comma profit, and var name is equal to metric, comma value name is equal to amount. Then we are setting as an instead of x axis we are having the category, and the y it is having the amount, and hue is equal to metric. Okay, so we are not getting what the error is saying. It is basically saying it could not interpret for y. Okay, so what error we are getting? Okay, in the data that should be not data, and it should be melted data, that is this one. Control C and Control V. Now let's run it. So yeah, you have got the successful output. That is for each category we got the two different things, that is for sales and profit for all the categories. This is how you can actually solve this question. Make sure to practice these kind of questions. This we covered for the bar chart. In the above videos we'll be covering more such charts. Make sure to subscribe the channel to get the latest update, and these type of test cases and case study you will be getting when you are applying for companies where the Python part is the more based on the domain. And to practice these questions, don't worry about it, I will come up with more such videos in the future. Till then, just keep subscribe the channel and share the videos with someone who is actually preparing for the interviews. Till then, keep loving, keep coding. Thank you guys.